Hey guys, LP here, and if you didn't know, there was a contest, and so we need to do a drawing because the first person never reached out to me. And in order to win this, yep, they had to type the word winner in the video, which I'll put somewhere up here so you can see what they won. So with that said, let's go ahead and push a couple of buttons over here. We're going to go to the Pick a Winner website. We're going to hit the V button, and we're going to drop that in there. No, anything does not go. We're going to be looking for that keyword winner, and we're going to tell it to do something, and we just did. And the winner is Courtney Clemens 3129. Guys, Courtney, I'm going to put you in the reply to this video. Reach out. Hopefully you know what it is. You got 3 days. You got 3 days to collect your winnings. Reach out to me through whatever message, Discord, reply, do something, and we will get together and I will tell you how to get this into your hands. All right, guys, I think that's going to be about it. As usual, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Courtney, 3 days. Later, guys. Make sure everybody tells her congratulations.